Today we're going to work on factoring difficult polynomials. Remember, if we factor something like x squared plus 6x plus 8, then we just look at the factors of 8 that add up to 6. 1 and 8, no. 2 and 4, those work. So then we have the factors x plus 2 times x plus 4. If we multiply that back, we get x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8, which simplifies to x squared plus 6x plus 8, and that's what we started with. Now let's look at a more difficult kind of problem. What if I have 6x squared plus x minus 15? Well, that's trickier because we have a leading coefficient that's not equal to 1. So we have too many things floating around. So I'm going to suggest that what we do is do an easier problem. Multiply the leading coefficient by the last term, and let's look at a related polynomial. Let's do 6 times 15 is 90, so we have minus 90. And then we're getting rid of the 6, so we put x squared plus x. Now I'm going to factor this one because it's an easier polynomial to factor. So I'm going to look for factors of negative 90 that add up to 1. That add up to 1. Well, I have, so I know the largest one of the factors is going to be positive, so I have negative 1 and 90. No. Negative 2 and 45. No. Negative 3 and 30. No. What next? Negative 6 and 15. No. And I have negative 9 and 10. And those do add up to 1. So let's put those factors down. I have x minus 9 and x plus 10. But somehow I have to get a 6 back with what I started with. So here's the trick that we use. We put a 6 in here and in here, and then we find a common factor in each binomial, and we throw it away. We divide it out and we throw it away. So in this case, 6 and 9 have a common factor of 3. So if I divide this into this polynomial, I get 2x minus 3. And here I have a common factor of 2. I divide that, I get 3x plus 5. If we FOIL this back, let's see what we get. 6x squared plus 10x minus 9x minus 15, but this simplifies to 6x squared plus x minus 15. And notice this is exactly the same as what I started with. So that's an easier way to factor polynomials that have a leading coefficient other than 1.